how to build an amazing Airtable CRM. In this video, I'll show you how to build an amazing Airtable CRM. Building an amazing CRM in Airtable is totally doable and powerful. So to be able to do that, click on Create at the bottom left of your screen. You can go ahead and build the app on your own, or you can also use Omni. So I'll simply select Use Omni. And then in here, go ahead and describe the CRM that you want to create. You can also upload the spreadsheet of that CRM, and then once you're done with the command, click on that Build It button to start allowing Omni to build the CRM dashboard along with its content for you. So if you're doing this manually, you should start with setting up your base structure. So the key tables to include are the contacts, companies, deals or pipeline, interactions or notes, and then use link records to connect contacts to companies and deals. After that, you need to customize the fields for your workflow. So you can set single select for deal stages, date fields for follow-up and close dates, attachments for contracts or proposals, collaborator fields to assign team members. Now, after that, you can go ahead and create the views that make sense. Use filtered views to stay focused, such as Kanban view, calendar view, grid view, gallery view. Add color-coded filters to highlight priority deals or overdue tasks. So generating this with Omni is the simplest way for you to create a CRM tailored fit into your workflow. So in here, just simply click on that publish button at the top right, and then make sure to include publishing all of the interfaces created by Omni that are relevant to your work. And then once you're done with that, this is how it will look like. So if you're actually doing it manually, you can go ahead and build interfaces for your team. So use Airtable interfaces to create dashboards. Sales reps see only their deals, managers get pipeline overviews, and clients can view progress. So you use list view to show nested relationships like company, contacts, and deals. And that is how you can basically build an amazing Airtable CRM. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.